Brody, what do we have today?
This
Ooh, we have this mini watch remote control car. Let's open that up, huh? Want to open it? Oh.
It's silly.
It is silly. Can you open it? Can you grab it out of there? Whoa! What's that?
Inside there's a car.
And there's a watch? And what else?
There's a car inside
Oh, and
there.
there is a car. Do you put the car in there, you think?
Yes.
Alright, let's see how this works. It comes with so it comes with charging cable and screwdriver.
In a car.
Button on the bottom. Can you
Yes.
turn it on? Whoa! It lights up! Wow, so look at, we got it in here, we got it lights on, and then you're able to control the car. I know, we just heard it. You're able to control the car by the watch. Watch this. Wow.
It drives.
It is driving. Should we take it out and drive it?
Yes.
Then you just hit this little button. Whoa, watch this. Press this right here. Whoa, it pops out. It's like it's on a dyno. Here, press the buttons on it. That's pretty cool. Should we go drive it?
I was Arrow says.
All right, I am your car watch. Let's deploy. Popped open. Now let's drive it. Whoa, it's fast. And it goes forward and backwards, all by using your watch.
What's this car called?
I think it's a Lamborghini.
What's this Lamborghini car? I'd be scared about that.
Well, if you go, you can make it do loops.
I'd be worried.
Abby is a little worried. Whoa!
I can.
You want to drive it? Whoa, you're driving it.
I goes under a couch.
Whoa, drive your car.
You persisted.
Yeah, it goes backwards, then you can make it go forward. Whoa.
Mama, it's a silly car.
There it goes. Look at your watch. So cool. Whoa!